call of God on your life. And because of this high calling, you have to rise to the occasion. And you have to be willing to stretch yourself and now that you've learned some things and you've developed yourself and you've gone through some different principles and things that we've been talking about, now it's time to take those things and begin to put them to use. The first thing you have to do is find someone else and pour that into them. That's where it starts. So it starts because when you begin to pour something into another individual, first thing that begins to happen is it begins to confirm and strengthen the things that you already believe. That's the first thing that happens. So you got to find people, get some people together and begin to, and y'all learn about the kind of people to look for, right? You understand that, right? You understand who to invest to and who not to. But you understand that. So you want to pull those people and you want to start pouring into those people and begin to lift those people up and begin to believe in those people. You know, I was talking with my nephew yesterday.